So we're taking out 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna make a mess here for the next 20 seconds of the video, and then we're gonna use the wheelbarrow and the chipper to clean everything. So the ramps work pretty good with the wheelbarrow to dump stuff in there, but once you get back towards the end of the trailer, you can't really get the wheelbarrow in and dump it because there's wood in the way. But I started with the trailer already half full, so normally it's not that bad. But you get the idea. Even if you can just get the wheelbarrow up there and throw the pieces to the side, it still saves a lot of work. Okay. Almost started to pull that log, but a bit too heavy. I don't want to rip the tracks on it. This is a 15 horsepower wood chipper from Princess Auto, and I believe it's rated for 5-inch diameter, but it's really only good for up to about 3-inch diameter realistically. I want to give a quick shout out to another YouTuber who does tree work named Reg Coates. He gave me the idea to get this wood chipper after I watched his video, and the modifications like the bucket on the top of the chute and the swiveling wheels in the front, that was his idea, as well as the rack to put it in and out of the trailer. Thanks for the good idea. I've been chipping for probably 20 minutes now. The only thing is about this smaller chipper is it doesn't shoot them at the start. It'll shoot them at the back, but then it doesn't really have the power to shoot up into the corners. I usually just shovel everything to the front and start again, but it works pretty good for what it is. I've been running it for a year now. Do the oil changes often, keep the blades sharp, and you're good to go. All right, everything's cleaned up. Dump trailer is full again, chips and wood. I'm pretty happy with the wheelbarrow, the way it saves lugging wood around. I feel like these two together is a pretty good combination. I'm gonna build sides on this, I think, and instead of dragging every branch out to wait to the truck, we can chip probably 30 branches or so, small branches into that, and then just bring that out.